Hold on, everybody.
Down.
Woo!
Hey everybody, it's Paul here with Farmhouse Teas and Grow Create Sip. All right, after a long stretch of dreary spring weather, we finally got a bright sunny day on a Saturday. Right at the same time, there's this Egg Fest going on in Salem, Oregon, and we're going to take a day off from all the hard work in the tea studio and go check this out. Come along with us. The first stop we've got today is the pony rides. We've got a couple of young ladies that are dying to ride some ponies. And after that, we're going to go check out some tractors. We're going to check out the petting zoo, which everyone is excited to see. And then from there, it's off to the trade show and a bunch of vendor displays. And finally, one of our favorites, the mule wagon ride. And after we get done with that and some dessert, we're going to head off and check out some music.
$2 bill, $2 bill, boys, $2 bill. Lost all my money but a $2 bill. I'm on my long journey home. It's cloudy in the west and it sure looks like rain. Sure looks like rain, boys, sure looks like rain. It's cloudy in the west and it sure looks like rain. I'm on my long journey home. Lost all my money but a $2 bill.
Hold on, everybody.
Down.
Woo!
I like that.
This is smooth.
Hey,
Like I thought it was gonna be bumpy and like the horse.
you're not on the horse.
The horse is bumpy.
I'm afraid so. Well,
We've been trying to dump him off the back all day.
That's why he said to hold on when
people in it because all the furniture and belongings.
Come back here and tell us if you were going to let us go in front of it.
Well, after a long, fun-filled afternoon, it was closing time and it was time for us to head out. We had a great time and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe for more growing, creating, and sipping videos. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like this video here.